ZB4 15.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Yeah, no,
Does it play different with it, or is it the same?
I don't know.
You don't know? You want to give me a walk around real quick after you shut it? Okay. Yeah, man, I make YouTube videos. People like to see stuff like this, so figured I'd get a formal intro, everything in here from you.
Okay.
What's your name and everything you got, man?
Avery. I got 8 10s, 6 tweeters, 8 horns. I got 2 8Ks, 1 8K on the Sundown ZB4 15. And I got 3 625 PRVs.
Okay. Whew. That's all that loud noise in the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you metered it yet?
Nah, I just basically
just for fun. Okay.
Yeah. Cause we go to all the stores and we have a
Yes,
store
sir.
here in town.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your electrical like? Your battery and alternator?
I got a 240 alternator, McMahon, and I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 XM power super caps.
Okay.
And I got a lithium battery too.
All right. Nice. And what's your box chain tune?
I think like, I don't know.
You don't know? Sorry. Did you build it?
No.
You didn't? Okay. So did you do the doors or anything?
Yeah.
Somebody else? Okay.
Yeah, I did all the
It looks good, man. It sounds good. Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and give me some good feel of it. Oh, yeah.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, yeah. Smash out, smash out, smash out, yeah. I'm spending on my fucking bed. I got me some braids and I got me some horns. Started rocking the sleeve, I can't roll with no love. You know how I do it, can cruise on my tongue. Feel my pull up, oh yeah, how I don't know it. I get on it, I hear that shit out, she know I'm rock. So if I see it, I got my name from the store. I'm with some white guys and they love on the coca. Like they OT. Double OT, like I'm KG, smoking OG. And you know me, and my 2 3s and my gold tee. Bet you smiling, bet you see me from the nosebleed. I'm a new 3, and I change out to my new D. White Iverson, when I started my...
That's loud.
I'll let you kill my money, baby. My heart is so deep, I still got a lot of hoes, smoking monkey holiday. And playing that song. baby, I can send up, send up. Some bubble gum, something like a shit. Gotta get my partner some, she on me like a dance. You can't hold back, start flexing like you not. Your man tryna patrol that, I guess he is a cop. But he really can't cuff if he bustin' at my spot. But I done had enough, cause you making my shit hot. Blowing up a nigga phone, what I tell you when my nigga something on my neck, can you do that? He been around with that mouth, why you leave on back? You can't say nothing now, cause we all been doing that. It ain't nothing to cut that bitch off.
Appreciate it. Man. Thank you, man. Thank you.
YouTube channel.
Jacob Viral. YouTube Jacob Viral.
I gotta take a picture of this.
I do videos all the time, man. Woo. Give me a dip. Turn it up, man. Turn it up. Yeah, we're checking out all the systems today. We got to show you. Yep.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'll check out your back real quick.
All right.
Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate it. You'll like to see it. Hey, what vehicle is this? What vehicle?
It's a 05 Buick LaCrosse.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.